Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to connect your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.1.10. The first step is you need to check if you're connected to the proper router, and you can check it on the right here under the Wi-Fi settings. So if I click here, you can see I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link router. Now I need to make sure I'm connected to the right IP address. Go to the search bar here on the left and type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Now just enter ipconfig and press enter. And here under the default gateway, you can see your router's current IP address. So you can just select it, copy it with Control C. Now open any type of web browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. And here paste the IP address in the address bar and press enter. Now you have entered the login page of your router. For the username, you can just type in admin and the same for the password, admin. And now click on login. Now you have successfully entered the admin panel of your router. Here on the left, you have all of the settings that you can change or modify. If, for example, you want to change the IP address of your router, you can just go here under left on the network, click on LAN settings, and this is your current IP address, which can be modified. Once you change it, you can just click on save. If the changes are adapted, you can just log out from the admin page here. And that's everything for today. Hope this manual was successful, and please do not forget to subscribe.